Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Coursera account step by step. If you want to access your courses, certificates, or learning dashboard, this guide will help you sign in quickly. Let's get started. Coursera is an online education platform that offers courses, professional certificates, and degree programs from universities and companies around the world. Here's how to log in to your account. Step 1. Open the Coursera website. First, open your web browser and go to the Coursera website. Once the home page loads, look for the Log In button. Step 2. Click the Log In button. At the top right corner of the page, click Log In. This will open the login page. Step 3. Enter your email address. In the email field, type the email address you used to create your Coursera account. Make sure the email is entered correctly. Step 4. Enter your account password. Next, enter your account password in the password field. Then click the Log In button. Step 5. Use Google or Apple login, optional. If you originally signed up using Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can log in using those options instead of typing your email and password. Just click the corresponding button and follow the instructions. Step 6. Access your dashboard. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to your Coursera dashboard. Here, you can access your enrolled courses, certificates, learning progress, account settings. Step 7. Recover your password if needed. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the instructions to reset your password. Important tip: always log in from the official Coursera website to protect your account and avoid phishing websites. And that's it. That's how you log into your Coursera account, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical online learning tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.